United States of America.
Okay, thank you. Tabuk sana ni musungo. Koroksa takuk Amerika ni phajak. Ang tomon nok tolao phai bathak jagi ko bini lagi sro ko mamai ko nai nei dinoro. Lagi sro bono koroksa buku obo address kha chino ang toman nok ni address rui bono nasingni tonkha bo duporni duita ni siming nasingmani tabuk papa koti tam hanela tabuk 431 tam to koroksa bukukjek bumung salia ang bumung bo sato saka ang dong siwang tabuk te bukuk jong belano la sima singsa
Giving me what? Giving your conditions for the United States.
boanu up phone number kha do phone number kha up phone number ang call khaimani tabuk switch off inke switch off inke botabu bono nasingi dong omseke bukha kolok bini friend bai malayen bagai borok Facebook ti sinilai fu Facebook ti sinilai uni sabo inke tabuk finance kang bo contract contact khlainyo phaika khaimani boroni phaika bini bandobi malayen ba bin bandobi ya bini kissing jik bai bini mare bai malayen hnoi Amerika ni bo tini sini tripura bo phayei bina friend se tabuk kamazak biang thaka boro thanai sejimeng tonga bo tabuk inke tabuk tabuk
Broksa, that means I'm alone.
Koroksa means alone, no?
No, it means
Koroksa is
Koroksa.
Yeah,
Koroksa.
koroksa.
Means alone?
yes, alone.
inke bo bai sinilai jak baluk jak ni sao Facebook ti
Humans. Korok means koroksa. So if you define in king or
mo papa tam lok salai dong mo khai tabuk
we define to
ang
animals.
baso इंग्रजी rong mai ang ba
Would be much.
inka ta sa Amerika ni इंग्रजी sarna Amerika ni इंग्रजी rong ka ke jeng bujina rok fan sa ai je bujina rok fan sa buji mar gya hai ma tong wa
Mosquito.
amai ta ka thapu war jong mani thampoi ta sa siri thampoi war jong mani
If you
mo
say belai, it's say all.
Allah is all.
mo
Mosquitoes.
Belay mosquito.
inka
Everywhere.
tabuk tam khlai ni semia
You that can you?
khaja thani kok rong mana do
I'm trying. This is the best I have.
bo sergi dong a ang je buji mani kan ke
Ang
a
Saimano Kakbrok.
ha what
Ang Saimano Kakbrok.
nang kok rok semano ang
Nang-
orang busi kata a bukuk je bai bo Facebook ti gabang setting khlai le borok net cover serang layo Facebook ti setting khlai le mane sinile jak balok jak khana khai ma tong tia a bukuk ti kharjak biang bo hujak tong na bini problem ngi da phaimalia saimalia agi khanamani motoi friend rock Facebook friend rock phaile thanglayo nei tini nugui dikhang pia ani friend ya ani khoroksa bukuk jekni bumung to saliang sabuni a bukuk jek bini official samung kisa tamo bungai leri dong hangke bo nok sini angkai or norot thajing sagor batak tongpai kyang ang anora sidogai ko sar open kharelo hosi on khaita hi man khang ka ba brandi open kharelo hosi nai sini ko sung bong mani brandi rok to tong nai ke neksa puna kuni ru tugiro mono khare kisa hit ke gan rok ser sabri manar nai
New York.
Are you saying you are from where?
California.
California ni sebona
California.
California
Jela sin natin mo mata.
bar basa hasal soba ke pa wana kha
So how was the journey?
Hmm?
So how was the journey till California to India?
How was the journey?
Yeah.
Long. What is better for counting? Gonamong or Lakhadi?
lekhadi
That's counting.
Yes.
Why is Gonamong? What's that?
goni mung
Goni mong sung goni adi ba?
goni gon abo ka sosi kokro klaya ta
Acha.
lekha mung bo so sosi kokro klaya lekha pora lekha di lekha o abo not appropriate
It's
It's
not the right word.
yes
Means goni mong and the lekhati.
Uh-huh.
It's quite similar, but it's not appropriate to us.
Well, what's Gonamong then? What is
Goni
it?
mong also counting.
counting
They're both counting.
Yes.
But you don't use Gonamong.
No. We use lekhamong.
Okay. What's the word for number?
Number.
sa nei thambre ba dok sini char chukuchi
Amdi namchi number.
na cheng lekha mani ta
Sini number tam sungguh, sini number.
Sini number tu krip le sini script se kering ke tahu sung tam salah salah lagi mai sih tahu. Omo na hadi tam salah salah je. Tahu American borok bai sini script tam ba sini number tam ni sengat tongka. Engkai seng borok tam salah tahu kering salah kering share je ne. Dia jual borok mai macam. Kasih kering abu tu sung le khamani sih. Just sini
script kering sini.
Script krip le. Kasih kering ketam kai beri kai dok. Abu ngangkai sini 1 2 3 ni lah kemana ya? Sini 1 2 3 lah 1 2 3 4 ni lah kemana ke? Sa nei tham brei ba dok sini cha cukup je bong kan ke sini 1 2 3 4 5 ni lah kemana ya? Macam kita. Ingin pihak ba sini script sekering ke sembon tam sana sata bo lagi macam kita.
It's quite embarrassing, but we didn't have the script.
Huh?
Yeah.
Script?
Yeah, we don't have script. Of
but
numbers.
You have to have a word for
numbers.
But you have to have a word for number.
No.
You have to. Use gonamong. Gonamong means number.
We have the word, but we didn't have the script.
Right. You don't need a script, but you still say, you say kaisa, that's number, that's one.
We say in a word, but we didn't have the script. Written scripted.
Right. But it's still, conceptually, it's still a number, right? You would, I don't know, maybe you don't need it.
Mostly we use that Hindi words like or English word we use.
Would they have a word for number? Or they don't either?
Sorry?
Like languages from neighboring states, like Mizoram or Assam or any related languages, Sino-Tibetan languages.
So
do any of them have a word for number? Do you know?
No.
No, there's no word for number.
What languages? What do you know from our?
What else do I know in
Yeah.
Kaprok?
Yeah.
Cherai? It's child, right?
Cherai, yes.
Love.
Hamjak.
Hamza.
Hamjak.
Me.
I know. This would be better if you ask me, then I have to come up with something because I can't say sentences yet.
Yeah.
So I'm just learning the words in the past couple weeks.
Oh.
Words would be koktai.
What is kok thai?
Koktai. Koktai.
THI Thai.
And so if you want a fruit, you would say kaisa. No, kaitai.
Kaisa means one.
Yeah.
One kaisa.
So how do you say I want one fruit?
One fruit.
Yeah, one fruit, like an apple.
Kaisa.
Apple.
Kaisa. Not kaisa. Kaisa apple.
Taisa.
Kaisa.
So like, because it makes me think of
Kaisa is बहुत different kaisa के.
Kaisa ngangke tahu Taisa Thaini Thaitam abong ke seng. Samong ya abu Buthaini hono Taisa Thaini. Buthaini lekha porong ngangke Buthaini ngangke sau seng Kaisa. Kaisa ke tahu sabo srom di Kaisa kaini kaitam. Kaisa tam sesene no tahu tahu kongsa kong nei kong tham abong ngangke sabo srom di kolom. Tahu seng kolom no saga. Kolom kongsa kong nei kong tham.
In our language counting, we have many words too, like as you said, kaisa.
Fruit, just like fruit. We count Taisa, Thaini, Thaitam, Thaibri, Thaita. The one apple. One apple means Taisa apple.
That means in fruits we used to count in the word. We used to say in the word Taisa.
Thai.
and if it's animal. Yes.
Ko ayang
E.
bini plan by kok salai tu bin plan kol ke tahu sus
E.
kloka.
He is. Yes.
Tahu aro kok salai tu tahu.
Yeah. Now we're gonna be on YouTube.
Saya mama jorti kan ke. Pataro sopa kian.
Me.
Tahu
I
kol
know.
itu. Pasta ro phai ni saru kang bolo
Yeah.
kol mak lagi ya bukuk zeng no.
What, bro?
She wants me to come outside.
Bini Facebook friend no masing jak phaijak I ko naige nang bo silik senar sion ha bukuk jak sabongka American ni bororo base kok salai American bororo base berenya phaijak sion ko bo oh my god au paithago malakha bini mare bono phai tang thambakya